How to Google Maps offline using Google Maps offline. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can actually use Google Maps offline, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you don't know, then Google Maps can be used offline, but you have to download it beforehand. So if you would like a map of a certain specific region over here, you have to download the location for that particular region. And to do this, if you look at the top right, you have the Google profile. Tap your Google profile and here you can see offline maps. So you can tap on offline maps and then you can see local map. You can download your local map or you can select your own map, and then you can simply select a certain region to drag or zoom in or maybe zoom out as to how much map you would like to download for offline usage. And once you have done that, you can basically just tap the download option and then it should be able to download those areas. This way you can use Google Maps offline. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.